channel, and welcome back to everyone here. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell that you'll be notified with all my upcoming videos. Welcome in my channel. And without further ado, let's film the video. And today's video is about doing unboxing this bag. I bought something online and I wanted to show you guys what I actually bought online. It's gonna surprise you. There's another one that's coming, but I'm just gonna film this video all together. I'll film this video, the next day probably will arrive tomorrow, and I'm just gonna film that and then put all the video together when I edit it. Today we went out and it's got sunny day as well, but it's cooler than that day, I think in my opinion, but still hot. And then you can tell what I'm wearing today, but I actually wore something on top of it, like a white thing, because this is screwed up, and I wear something like this to put them all together. And I got orange earrings, and this one I'm just put this on today because I'm actually wearing orange earrings and orange lipstick, and then I got my orange lupa there. And yeah, welcome guys, and without further ado, let's start and take a video with this package. I know what's inside the box already because I ordered this, but you don't know. It's a surprise to you, but I'm keeping it. Sorry guys. Yeah, let's do and take a look what's inside. It's gisi-gisi and rip this box up. Dito naman tayo sa toilet. I've actually gone on the toilet, and as I told you before, this is the brightest room in the house, because another room is a lot darker, and I probably have a shadowy face, and you won't be able to see my maganda mukha. You won't be able to see my face, because you'll probably just see shadowy face, and you won't be able to recognize me, and probably won't be able to scare you, because I don't look good in the dark. Yeah, let's go and rip this off. Hi, there we go. First rip. There we go. It's white inside. As you can see, it's white. Chan! It's open, and there we go. Kaya naman ito, ayan, may pabatil sila. Kaya paper. I love the paper. Let's see. There we go. You can see now. Wow, let's give you a freebie. I'll show you the freebie first. Yeah, we got this freebie from Fresh. It said Fresh. Yeah, Fresh. This one from Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum. Quite cute. Look. Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah. And this one. Oh, this is good. We got this one from. Hey, naman ang box pala. That's the box. See? The paper. Definitely more the paper than the product itself. And yet I got this Laura Mercier, if I pronounced that correctly, Laura. In my language, the way I read this name is Laura Mercier. Mercier, see? We actually pronounce the R quite hard, but here in the UK, when you say R, is Laura. First items in the box. There we go. First item is a setting powder, translucent loose setting powder. It's set. It actually came glow. It said it's quite tiny. This actually, it's quite expensive for this box, and it's not that big. It's tiny. I thought it would be a lot. 1.3 grams. Oh, it's not that bad. 1.3 grams is. It's travel size. You can actually take it. Look, it's still big, but it's not as big, because sometimes you can get a bigger bottle. 9 grams is big one. Pero ayan, nakita nyo aking nakalagay siya sa pan. Actually, pareho yung air freshener. To the Blackie. There. Laura Mercier. And ayan na yung sa baba. Translucent. You won't be able to see it, but it's got like a glow in it. Ayan, that's a Laura Mercier powder. This one, Nars makeup. By the way, I bought this one not with my own money. It was a little money from my brother-in-law working in his house. Remember that house that I actually took a video with, that we decorated, and that house got sold, and he's got a little bit of commission sa Philippines. And I got, because we decorated, we got a little bit of, what do you call that, decorative eye. We were like a part-time decorator in my brother-in-law's house. I've earned a little money from that, and I'm actually thinking of sending some of the money in Philippines. But I thought like a little bit of a gift as well for me. I don't usually buy things like this, but my fiance convinced me, so you have to spoil yourself sometimes, because he spoiled me with other makeup, and we bought other makeup because it was my birthday gift. But this one is I bought it myself, and this is a Nars sticker. The Nars is quite in this time now. They actually like it, but this one is actually still expensive. Oh wow! Just check it out from this bag. Look how the packaging. Not too much packaging, isn't it? Like packaging here and here, like that. Wow, that's quite good color if you put in your nails. It's actually a silver and some tie-dye. I think it's a tie-dye pattern. That's what the palette looks like. And if you take it off from there, you got this, another paper. And it's black, it's quite good. Then we got this one, the palette itself. Yeah, I know, parang tubig siya. It's like a pusa. It's actually a 3D and wavy style, like in the water color. The color under the water. It's got this wave style around it. Wow, quite cool. I like it. Beautiful. And let's see, in the back it said exposed. Expose all your bad habits and good habits. It said in there. And let's see what they look like inside. Hindi ako marunong bukas ah. Tadaan! Ayan, pakita ulit natin. Nandyan yung mga mess. Nakalagay kayo sa cabinet, or in the cabinet by the way. Ayan. Let's hide the mirror and let's see what else the palette will look like. Ayan, yung palette. There we go. It's a cheek palette and a palette. The cheek palette now or never. Come hither. Give it away. New flame. Tell all, make you mine. Tell all, make you mine. And it's got this blush, highlighter, I think bronzer, and some various blush. If you live in the island, you cannot recognize this pattern. Take out here. And that's it, what we got in our bags, these two products. That's what we got today, and then see you again tomorrow, probably if the other bags will arrive. And I'll take a video with it as well to show you what I've got on that box. And thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. And yesterday I've actually uploaded I filmed a video about unboxing, and I told you that I have another package that arriving today, and that's why I'm gonna go and unbox it with you guys. But unfortunately we're actually outside. We went back to Sheffield because they're meeting a builder to renovate the place that we were renting it out. A place that is renting it out. Kaya medyo maingay at it's got a little noise of a vehicle going through and passing. So you can hear engine rubbing around, and I apologize for that. And yeah, and today's video is unboxing, continuous with unboxing yesterday. And here's the package that I got today, and pasensya na sa box because we bought some what do you call it, lawnmower, to cut the grass in Sheffield. And here's the box. That's what they look like, and it looks like it's been opened. Someone opened it. Sobrang init ito, super hot. So super hot init. This is actually like 30 degrees, 34 degrees today. And yeah, without further ado, let's go and open this box. Kasi open na. Sana, bakit kaya open ito? I don't know why this is open. And I'm gonna start opening it in the bottom of the thing. And someone is in the neighbor. Maybe. Actually, that's the box. And this is what they got. And let's remove all the product in here. Meron silang free tombola, £5 free, your unique tombola. It's like a bingo thing. £5 black. Oh, it's a game. It's actually a game. 8 million one every week. Wow. Okay, let's keep that one. That's to give you 2 of them. And they got everyday dog gets their own recipe delivered too. We don't have dogs yet, but that's quite good. Try your free month free. First month free, said. Oh, lucky dog. You got code for that. And yeah, and you got like a paper here. And there we go. That's what we got inside the box. I got another mascara. This is Wet n Wild mascara. I've not tried this before, this brand. But that's what they... Wet n Wild. Mega length, it said, mascara. And it was nice because the packaging is pink. See the mascara there? The mascara. Well, it's not open yet, and it's got and this is very black, it said in the end. It's very black. There we go. That's the first product in this package. And the second one is this orange one. You know, orange is in this. We can't miss the orange. And it's Nars Afterglow eyeshadow palette. I think this is a year ago they come out with this palette, and that's what is in the back. Wow, in it, I'm sweating. It's quite hot. Let's open the bags. Yeah. Ooh. Wow. And they always have this package, which is always this one. Yeah, that's what. It's really nice. This color, orange. And let's see. And there we go. That's the palette. I don't know what attracts me in this palette. Probably the color. Yeah, that's what the palette look like. It's shiny. Wow, it's nice because it's sunny outside. It's got this humming noise because of the fridge, because we have a portable fridge with us in the back. Let's open it. 3D yung kanya. 3D, ayan, look. Wow, ang ganda niya. This is what the palette look like. So that's what they look like inside. Wow, look at this one. Wow, that's quite glowy. Looks like they got matte and metallic. Wow, look at that. I'll show the palette. Seems like not all of the... Why is it not filled up? Weird. Yeah, parang this one is like half into the... It's got a good mirror as well. It's got this... The mirror is black, it's got this plastic cover for the... And the palette called Afterglow. Oh, it's got fingerprint in it. Afterglow. First taste, it said the palette. Let's read the name of the palette. First taste, crushed, Bayadere Eye, Shadow Hill, Mad Love, Trouble, Headline, Push It, Deep Cut, Whipped, Riding High, Guaya Quell. I don't know how it's got really difficult name. Is it? It's just reading. And that was it. And that's what we got in the box. The 2 product here, including the box yesterday. And now I'm just gonna go and edit this video and I'll put them all together. Ayan po, orange. Gigi love orange. Ayan po, this is Wet n Wild. I'm gonna try this if it's good, because they said it's good. And it was not bad price. This one is expensive. I'm gonna try all this product all together in the video. I'm gonna have a dedicated video for it. Again, this palette and the mascara and the other palette that we bought yesterday too. And that's it. What's we got today's what we got in our package today. And now let's put them all back in the box. There we go. Looks like never open it. Ayan po, that's today's video, and hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're new here, that you'll be notified with all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much guys for watching, and love to all, and take care and enjoy the sunny days if you live in the UK. And if you live in a hot country, protect yourself because it's really hot. Make sure to wear a thin layer of clothes because it's not good to sweat, and it's not good to be hot as well. And drink a lot of water to keep dehydrated. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Love to all, and keep safe. Love. Bye.